still so far from home.
Artlist.io.
Hello, hola. Welcome back to a new vlog. Hope you watched my previous video. If you've not, please go back and watch. So here I just got an apartment, so I went to carry the rest of my luggages from a church sister's place. So I'm on my way there, and I went by train, and here I went to school to do my registration. I finally did my registration, guys. I was so excited. So I'm finally starting my PhD lectures. Yay! I was so excited. And yeah, yeah, I was in the class. As you can see, I was attending lecture, like first lecture ever. And after lectures, I took the train. Is this train or metro? This is the metro. I took the metro back to the house. It was a wonderful experience. I had two stops. So this was me waiting for my second metro. Why do I keep saying train? It's metro. Here I was just feeling myself. I was so excited, guys. So yeah, the train arrived and I entered. It was a remarkable experience. And I love going by train because it's pretty fast. And I've actually learned how to use the train without missing my way. Uh-huh. I love the view from where I was sitting down. I was just making videos. At least let me upload something on my channel, even if I'm very busy. So yeah, I alighted and I was going to my apartment. It's actually a shared apartment, but it's okay for a start. But at least I got a place to stay than paying for an hotel every day. Like, if you're relocating to a new place, please get accommodation so you will not suffer like me. So you will not suffer like the way I did. Okay. So yeah, I was in my this is my street. So I was almost home already. So I decided to buy some things as I was going home. So I got this biscuit, chocolate biscuit, very sweet. I got it for €2 80. Things are very cheap here. I just wanted to show you guys how cheap things are here. I got this cream for €4 99. This Dove cream is actually like 10k in Nigeria. You get, so even if you, but anyways, let me continue. So I got this soap for €2 50, and I got this biscuit for €1 50. So yeah, I got this Johnson's oil for €1 99. I got this Dove soap for €1 29. I got this other Dove soap for €1 50. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how cheap things are. I also got other items. The other things I got it from the school area. Then close to my house, I got this water for I think €1 50. It's not up to €2. Yeah, I got this takeaway plate because I wanted to cook and store in the fridge for the week. So I got that for like uh €1 or less. I can't remember, and there's no price tag there. I got this spaghetti for €1, I think. Yeah, €1. I got this tomato paste for €1. Am I right? Yes, €1. I got this one in Ocean. Ocean is very close to where I stay. I got this toothpaste for €1. And yeah, I also got Frango chicken. Yes, also from Ocean. I got this for €2.34. Yeah, that's the price, and to me it's cheap. Looking at where I'm coming from, I got this vitamin C mango juice. I got it for how much? I got this for €1. Yeah, I think €1. Yes, I got this cup for less than €1. I think this is just 50 cents or 80 cents. Yeah, but it's less than €1. I got other items. It's as if I went for shopping. Very funny. I didn't plan for this. I just, wanted to get something. I ended up getting so many things. This is €1, not expensive. I was actually looking for rice, and then I saw this sushi. This was the only thing that I was looking at. This was the only thing that was looking like normal rice to me because the rest were brown rice and they were looking somehow. I got this sardine. It's a different kind of sardine. Yeah, I got this for €1. And what else did I get? I got bread. There are normal bread there, like they have normal bread. But I went for this brown bread. I got this for €1.50. So I think that's all I got. And they are not expensive at all. I'm going to put the receipt somewhere. And yeah, the next day I decided to cook. Yeah, I arranged all my stuff. So the first and the last cupboard is mine. I took over. And yeah, I was ready to eat something. Then I prepared ogbono soup and achi soup. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Do not forget to subscribe, like,
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right in my back. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.
Imagined.
Sun is coming down. So I am done with school for this week. See, I refuse to buy bag. What's wrong with this elevator? I don't understand. So I bought these drinks. It's not like I forgot to buy bag. Oh my goodness, it's not there where I'm going. Oh, it's 5, Joe. It's 5. So I didn't want to buy bag today because I bought bag yesterday. Is it for €1 or €2? If I don't use that money, add money buy these drinks. So yeah, today I'm not getting any bag. I'm so tired. I'm just going to grab something to eat and sleep. Hola.
Hola.
Okay. I don't understand. Brought me back to 0. I'm going to 5th floor. Let me just take the stairs. I don't understand what's wrong with the elevator. Take this one instead. Just take this one. It's 5:05. It's 5 that I pressed now. All of you have seen it. 5. Outfit check. Is it clear? Hope it's 5. It went to. It's 5. Yeah, I'm home. I'm home. Bye. Can't go show now, why?